Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person who likes to read a lot. You should say who this person is, how you knew him or her, what he or she likes to read, and explain why you think he or she likes to read a lot. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Reading forms an important part and parcel of our lives as it fosters creativity, keeps our minds engaged, as well as helps in understanding things around us in a better manner. And today, I would like to speak about my neighbor Sneha, who is an avid reader. So, we have used an idiom here which is part and parcel, which means something that is essential. Foster means to promote or to encourage, and avid means keen or to have a deep interest in something. So basically in the introduction we are just talking about the importance of reading, that it is helpful in promoting creativity, it helps in understanding things better, and also it keeps our minds engaged. Okay? Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I know her from the past 5 years when she moved with a family in my locality and started residing in the building adjacent to mine. So, residing means staying, adjacent means next to or near to. Additionally, Sneha has a profound interest in reading a wide variety of books, including science, adventure fiction, biography, autobiography, as well as historical novels to increase her know how about past events and experiences. So, we are giving a description about the third question, which is what he or she likes to read. So, we are mentioning different kind of genres for reading, including science, adventure, biography. That means a book that depicts the life of someone. And autobiography is when a person writes a book about his or her own life. Besides that, she usually finds answers to her everyday queries by engaging in self help books and has even improved her culinary skills by reading cookbooks of famous chefs and reciprocating their recipes with her own touch. So, now we are elaborating on the third question a little more by saying that she also reads self help books and find answers to her daily queries. And culinary means cooking skills. So, what we are saying here is that she has also improved her cooking by reading cookbooks of some famous chefs. Reciprocating means to imitate or to copy. Furthermore, she believes that reading is one of the simplest ways to improve cognitive development, focus, and develop analytical skills. So, cognitive means mental or related to thinking or remembering. Finally, reading also helps to unwind herself while at the same time rejuvenating and refreshing her mind from a monotonous daily schedule. So, monotonous means something that's boring. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.